Do you ever feel like you're fighting a battle for a good night's sleep? You go to bed on time but toss and turn, waking up feeling groggy and unrested. The secret to unlocking deep restorative sleep might not be in a pill, but in aligning with your body's ancient internal clock, the circadian rhythm. This master biological pacemaker located in your brain governs your sleep-wake cycle, hormone release, and even your metabolism. When it's out of sync, your sleep suffers. Today we're exploring 5 science-backed ways to optimize your circadian rhythm for the deepest sleep of your life. First, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. This is the cornerstone of a healthy circadian rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every single day, yes, even on weekends, reinforces your body's natural clock. Think of it like setting a precise timer. When your body learns to anticipate rest and wakefulness, it can more efficiently regulate the production of key hormones. For example, the consistent schedule helps your pineal gland release melatonin, the hormone of darkness, at the right time each evening, signaling that it's time to sleep. This consistency stabilizes your rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Second, become a master of your light exposure. Light is the single most powerful external cue for your circadian rhythm. To harness its power, expose yourself to bright, natural sunlight as early as possible in your day. This morning light hits receptors in your eyes and sends a powerful signal to your brain to shut off melatonin production and start the clock for your day, promoting alertness and energy. Conversely, as evening approaches, you need to do the opposite. Minimize your exposure to bright lights, especially blue light from screens like phones, tablets, and computers, at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. This blue light is particularly disruptive, as it tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin and delaying the onset of sleep. Third, engineer your bedroom into a sanctuary for sleep. Your environment plays a critical role in sleep quality. The ideal sleep space is cool, dark, and quiet. Scientists recommend a bedroom temperature of around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 degrees Celsius. This is because your body's core temperature naturally drops to initiate sleep, and a cool room helps facilitate this process. Darkness is equally crucial. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to eliminate any light pollution, which, as we've learned, can interfere with melatonin. Finally, minimize noise. If you live in a loud area, consider using a white noise machine or earplugs to create a consistent, peaceful auditory environment that won't jolt you out of deep sleep. Fourth, time your physical activity strategically. Regular exercise is fantastic for sleep, as it can increase the amount of slow wave or deep sleep you get. However, when you exercise matters. Engaging in moderate to vigorous exercise raises your core body temperature and stimulates cortisol, a hormone that promotes alertness. While beneficial during the day, this can be counterproductive if it happens too close to bedtime. The stimulation can make it difficult for your body to wind down. As a general rule, try to finish any intense workouts at least 3 to 4 hours before you plan to go to sleep. This allows your body temperature and cortisol levels to decline, paving the way for a smooth transition into rest. Finally, wind down with an intentional, relaxing routine. In our hyper-connected world, we often expect our brains to switch from full speed to off in an instant. This is simply not how our biology works. You need to create a buffer zone between the stress of your day and the rest of your night. An hour before bed, put away the work, turn off the stimulating content, and engage in calming activities. This could be reading a physical book, gentle stretching, listening to calm music, meditation, or taking a warm bath, which can help trigger the body temperature drop needed for sleep. This wind-down ritual helps lower cortisol levels and signals to your entire nervous system that it is safe to relax and prepare for deep, restorative sleep. Optimizing your circadian rhythm isn't a quick fix, but a lifestyle adjustment. By embracing a consistent schedule, managing light, creating a sleep sanctuary, timing your exercise, and winding down intentionally, you are working with your body's fundamental biology, not against it. You are giving it the clear, consistent signals it needs to orchestrate the symphony of processes that lead to truly deep sleep. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and build from there. Your journey to waking up feeling truly revitalized begins tonight.